Hey guys, this is Ash from the channel Freaky Tech. Nowadays, everyone want to get Insta famous in a very short interval of time, which is a very difficult task. So in this video, I am going to tell you some of the important hacks which will make you Insta famous within a week or two. With that being said, let's get started. First, I'll open the Instagram account which I have created for the purpose of this video. It is a new account, and as you can see, the following and the followers counting on the account are 0. The next thing to be done is to open your Google Chrome browser or any other browser, but as I am comfortable with the Chrome, so I'll open it. Now we need to type the Hublogram in the search bar and click on the first link which appears on the search list. Hublogram is a website which uses free Instagram followers without any payment or conditions. There is also no need for us to follow others in order to get free followers, unlike the other website or apps. After the website had loaded, we need to enter the username and the password of our Instagram account. After clicking the login button, it asks us to enter the security code for confirmation. You need to enter the captcha correctly. With that done correctly, it will redirect you to the home page of the website. The home page introduced us to the 3 options, among which we have to click on the Insta follow, which will indirect to the next page where you have to click on the submit followers button, and the followers will be able to add it to your account within a few seconds. The pop-up appearing in between the process should be closed in order to get the proper results, and this can be done by just clicking the back button of your smartphone when a pop-up appears. Then after these things are done, you'll get your followers successfully, and your Instagram account will be famous in a very short interval of time. So that's all in this video. Stay tuned for more technical videos, and hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and subscribe the channel. This is Ash from the Freaky Tech, signing off. Thank you.